You said something that infuriated me. For you to say anything that will infuriate me, it must be bad. You must have crossed the red line. So I don't just block people. Sometimes I don't want to argue with you when you sound, don't let me finish that statement. So instead of displeasing myself, I just block you. That's all. And I know it's painful to a lot of you guys when you are blocked, because then you're not able to see my activities again, and you know I have rich content, very robust content. A lot of my so-called enemies, they always come to my page, come and say, hey, what is he doing today? What is he talking about today? You know, well, you know, I'm very smart, I'm decorous, I'm not the type that I don't do bolekaja, fight to finish. No. That's why a lot of the people I criticize, they respect me, you know, because they know that it's nothing personal. If I see you tomorrow, I'll still greet you. Like the nonsense Malami was talking now, if I see him tomorrow, I'll greet him. If he likes, let him know, I'll greet him. Oh, hello, how are you, Mr. Attorney General? And if I have chance to talk to him, I say, oh, God, you shouldn't talk like that. So Nigeria belongs to everybody. It's not nobody's personal, you know, property. So, and then, I am happy for something. Buhari has achieved something. Buhari has opened up our eyes, our mouth, our ear, and everything now. And I'm sure nobody henceforth will allow them to oppress us. They will try, they will kill people, they will do everything, but they will regret it later. The earlier they subpedal and begin to dialogue with Nigerians, the better for them. There is nothing they can do. It will not end well if they don't dialogue with Nigerians. They can control all the army in the world, control all the police, control, you will see. History has taught me that no dictator has ever ruled forever. None. So if people have not learned from that and they think they can control the lives and souls of fellow human beings, it's a joke. Okay? It's a joke. And if they have friends who are listening to me, tell them that I'm saying they should read their history very well. If you read your history books, you will know that nobody has ever succeeded in enslaving mankind, and Nigeria won't be an exception. You know, it's always very late. By the time they will realize it's always very late. I'm sure if Abacha could, you know, come back today, he will do things differently. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. You know, what shall we profit a leader who cannot restore peace to his country? Permanent war. 6 years gone out of 8. So what can you achieve in the next 2 years? Now you are going to borrow money again. So what can you do with the money you borrow in the next 2 years? So, you know, that's all. Be friends with everybody, and you will have a happy ending. That's life. Be friends. It's not difficult to make friends. Okay? Then you can run after the saboteurs and deal with them. You have more than enough enemies in the bush, in Katsina, in Kano, in Kaduna, in Niger State, in Borno State, in Yobe. You have them. You are not facing those ones. Now you come to Imo, come to Enugu, come to Mboyi, come to those places in the southeast, just because somebody doesn't like the Igbo. It's unfortunate, it's unfair, but trust me, if you don't act fast and bring everybody together, in another 2 years or whenever it pleases God to rescue Nigeria, you will see. It's an advice, oh? You don't have to take it. It's an advice.